for KTTV. Today we're going to make a monster. First we need to make the body.
How do we get
First
these
you
out?
get blue Play-Doh, then you can make it into a type of ball. It's able to have bumps. And then get the boots, stick, and then put the blue Play-Doh on. Then you get the nose. And then you stick it on, and then put eyes on it, the monster. And then you get this mouth and stick it on. Then you get 2 arms. One goes over on this side and one goes over on this side. And then you get 2 flat parts. Roll it into a ball. Put behind the eye and get another flat part and roll that one into the ball, to a ball, and stick it on the other eye. And that's how you make an alien.